Welcome to a new tradition in North Vernon, Indiana, where every cleanup project, big or small, is an opportunity to make memories and enjoy life to the fullest. Arch Waste and Recycle introduces a seamless way to manage your waste, making every disposal an easy touchdown. Forget the clutter of unrelated solutions. With Arch Waste and Recycle, you're choosing a trusted partner in dumpster rental services. Our dedication is not just about waste, it's about providing the right tools to clear the way for what truly matters. Imagine pressing a red button and having a dumpster delivered to your doorstep without the hassle. And while sneakers might weigh down an athlete, our dumpsters are designed to handle the heavy lifting, ensuring your project's performance is never compromised. With Arch Waste and Recycle, it's not just about the disposal, it's about creating space for new beginnings. So, whether you're embarking on a new adventure or simply clearing out the old, remember that Arch Waste and Recycle is here to help with dumpster rental in North Vernon, Indiana. Enjoy life, embrace the new, and let us take care of the rest. Call us today at 812-758-7274 or visit us online at www.archwasteandrecycle.com. Your journey to a clutter-free life in North Vernon, Indiana, starts with a single step or a simple click.